Now the question is equation of the largest circle with center at 1, 0 that can be inscribed in the ellipse, which is x square upon 16 plus y square upon 4 equals to 1. So we have this ellipse. Whose center is at origin and vertices are 4, 0, minus 4, 0. It is 0, 2 and 0, minus 2. And then it says we need to find equation of the largest circle with center at 1, 0. So center of the circle is at 1, 0 and which is inscribed in this ellipse. Now we know that the circle with center at 1, 0 and which touches this ellipse will have maximum radius. So we need to find the maximum value of r so that this circle, it touches this ellipse. So we can write equation of the circle as x minus 1 square plus y square and it is equal to r square. And this circle, it must lie within this ellipse, which is x square plus 4y square equals 16. So basically this circle, it should be tangent to this ellipse. Now if this circle is tangent to this ellipse, then this circle and ellipse, they should intersect only at one value of x. So what we'll do is we'll eliminate y from this equation. So we'll write 4 and y square is r square minus x minus 1 square and it'll be equal to 16 minus x square. So this equation is 4r square minus 4x square minus 4 plus 8x and it'll be 16 minus x square. So we'll get this equation as 3x square minus 8x 20 minus 4r square equals 0. Now this circle and ellipse, they are tangent to each other. So that means they should have only one point of intersection. That is the value of d, it should be 0. So we'll put d as 0. We'll get b square, which is 64 minus 4a, which is 12. And then we can take 4 common also. So it'll be 4 and then 5 minus r square, it should be 0. So we can divide it by 16. So it'll be 4 minus 3, 5 minus r square equals to 0. So we'll get 3r square equals 11. So value of r square should be 11 by 3. So now we'll put the value of r square and that's the answer to this question. So it'll be x minus 1 square plus y square and it is equal to 11 by 3. So equation of this circle will be 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x and it'll be 3 minus 11 and 3 minus 11 is simply 8. So that's your option number C.